Yes, I'm back for the third and hopefully the final time. Right, what I actually wanted to show you yesterday before I realised that I hadn't actually drained all the water out of my machine is this is actually like just because I've disintegrated some of the machine. Normally you can get coins, pins, anything. Another one is neck stiffeners in shirts. They are a nightmare once they get caught in the machine. That's it. So I'm just going to show you basically it's quite gross. When you pull when you've emptied your machine, this is your filter here. Let's chop that down. There we go. Normally what you do, if you pull that really gently, you'll get a flow of water. See, as you can see, that's quite gross. This is actually bits that came out of the machine. Look, you can still see there's actually quite a bit in the plug on the side of it. I just bring you down here. All right, let me see here. Put my finger in there. Ooh, it's quite gross. And again, there's all this broken up pieces of debris in here. What I have actually had somebody mention as a reply to my other video, which I have actually, oh my god, what's going on with my hair? I've actually neglected to even think of, because I know this has happened to me quite a long time, quite often, where things have gone in the machine that they shouldn't have, even after being told, and people still continue to do it. And I have an alarm that goes off with a code that tells me that the filter is an issue. Well, I must be honest, after cleaning this for now the second time, I didn't actually consider the pump might have gone, because I'm so used to it being blocked. So I'm going to clean the rest of this machine out, and as I say, I'm just going to run this under the tap. But you see the little holes here on the side? These are the bits that you want to make sure are clear and tidy. So the more I'm looking at this, the more I think it could be the pump. Because, to be honest, I didn't actually drain it the normal way, because it's awkward for me to get to. So I'm going to give this a clean off. I'm going to clean out the rest of the machine and get rid of all the debris. And if it fills up and doesn't drain, then yes, the pump's gone on my machine, and that's now looking a bit of a cost. So we'll see how we go from here, guys. And I will let you know. But yeah, this is basically all I wanted to show you was this is an older version of a Samsung filter. They don't actually look like this anymore. They've got two sizes as well, so if you do need to order another one, make sure you get the right size for your machine, because they won't tell you that there are two sizes. And then I'm going to fill this machine back up again and see if it is the pump, which I really hope it's not. But yeah, so that was all, guys, I really wanted to show. And just, it's another thing that just, it's one of those things in a machine that if you just keep it clean, can help your machine live a little bit longer. So I've bored you enough with my dilemma with my machine. I will let you know if it does actually work again, or if it's a different problem with the machine. But it is one thing that you can keep an eye on that can help keep longevity of your machine, especially if you don't have insurance. So I'm going to leave you with that. I'm going to clean out the rest of this tray and try and get rid of some of this crap that's in there. Thanks for actually tuning in and paying attention to me in this silly way I've just demonstrated on cleaning your machine, or good ways of making sure it works and lasts a lot longer. And thank you to the chap who sent me the message regarding the pump. I just didn't even think of it. How silly. Something so simple. Normally, yeah. And now I'm thinking back to it, the noise it was making, I think it could be the pump. Yay! So, alright guys, that's it. That's all I have to show you. It's not a lot. It was just another way of dealing with your machine if you incur any problems with it. So thanks again, guys, and I hopefully will see you in my next video. Thank you for even clicking on me and paying attention. And if you haven't already, subscribe. It's free.